In this video, I'm going to show you how to send Docusign to multiple signers. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the Home tab and then click on Start under Get Started over here. And then you want to put in your document that you want them to sign. So for example, I'm going to put this sample in here. There we go. You can then view it and see how it looks like. And here you want to scroll down where it says Add Recipients. In case it's checked, where there's this box over here, so it says I'm the only signer, uncheck this, and then you have your first recipient over here. Put in their name over here, and then their email as well. So this is going to be your first signer. And if you want to add another one, click on Add Recipient over here, and then you can basically just put in their name and email as well, put on Needs to Sign, and then go to Add Recipient again, and you can put in as many of these as you'd like. So these basically are the signers, and like this, you've put in your multiple signers. After that, you can put in your email subject, you can put in your email message, and then you just want to go to the next step. So I'm going to go next over here. And in here, you just have to scroll to whatever place you want and then put in your fields. So name, date, and signature are going to be our fields. On the left-hand side, you've got these fields. Look for them, put them in here like this. So name, date, and then a signature here on the right like this. There we go. And then once you are happy, you can preview this and then send it to all your multiple signers and all the recipients. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.